Right, daily challenge. Can you make a ball run or marble run better than this? Sophie, go for it. Oh! Right. So, and me created the marble run, and we used loads and loads of cardboard tubing. We also used some plastic piping and anything that was a tube that we could find. And the idea is, can you create a run that you could send a marble down or a bouncy ball or any sort of ball that you could do, and at the bottom, aim it to come out on a target. Now, me and Harry came up with one that had got like 5, 10, 15, 20 and 50 points on it. And the idea was, could you get the marble to go all the way down your track, as however long it was, and aim it to see how many points you could get after each turn? All right, so that's the idea of the marble run. Hope you get the video, and good luck with the challenge.
Hi guys, I also wanted to show you an example of a marble run that my class made back in March. We used paper and straws and anything we could find around the classroom to make it as high as possible at one end and get it as low as possible at the other end. So have fun!